Okay, well, I've cut out my first heater channel. So this is the progress that I've got so far. You can see how I've cut this out. Let's see, I'll grab a light. All right, so if you look here, I have cut this out here. I should grind this down here. That's what it basically looks like on the front. You know, so that'll attach up there. This has some damage on this pillar. Then here. So up in there, I'll probably have to spray some rust reform. And then here, there's a little damage, but so I put this heater channel on the jack just to see, you know, what happens if I push it up. And then, let's see. So, start to see how this is going to look. So here on the back, you know, this should get in there. This thing is going to eventually attach to that. This wraps around this okay. Damage there I'll have to fix. And in here, this thing has to go up in here. Question is am I gonna attach the little pipe that goes to here, which I don't have. And then here, this is the part that doesn't quite want to fit in. So, but anyway, that looks better. All right, well anyway, that's the, I haven't fitted it quite yet. Another thing that I did is I checked every single fender. I checked every single fender hole, and this one I checked it and it just broke off. So I had to weld in another one. Kept checking all of these. Plus I had to grind them down so that they wouldn't obstruct the fender. Then let me grab this light. I kept working on this here where I have this piece in here. I didn't weld it because it's kind of a small piece of metal, so I actually just put epoxy JB weld there. We'll see how that does. And then on this, you can see all my welds. And then that one hole there, I had to open it back up. So this is okay. The old heater channel, you can see if you want to see how messed up that thing is. So here's the old rear quarter. Here's the old heater channel. So that will be going some metal scrap. All right, well, that is the progress that I've got, and the next one, hopefully I can grind down the areas here, figure out what I'm gonna do. Let's see, up here, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, you know, there is no tube on mine. The question is how much do I care about the heat coming out there? You know, it looks like you can fit the tube down there. It actually appears as though you could even do it afterwards. The tube is here for the defrost, and it would fit into the heater channel down below. So, you know, it would be best if I did that first, but what I probably could do, since this is already kind of torn up here, and the other side probably will be too, is I can probably put on this heater channel, try to find a tube, and then connect that. See, there it is right there. So that goes to your defrost. Probably a tube. Yeah, and there's a couple of little, yeah, that's what I should do. I should go ahead and get those tubes. Let's see what the diameter of this is. But okay, that's the progress.